You're not tired. You're not too busy. You're not unlucky. You're undisciplined. You keep telling yourself you'll get serious tomorrow, but tomorrow doesn't exist. You've wasted weeks, months, even years convincing yourself that you're building something when in reality, you're standing still. And deep down, you know it. This one habit, this daily decision to delay, to escape, to avoid, is the only thing separating who you are from who you could have been. People love to talk about potential. They obsess over routines, productivity tools, morning hacks, but none of that matters if you still choose comfort the moment things get hard. That's the habit, avoiding discomfort. That single decision every day, to scroll instead of build, to complain instead of change, to fantasize instead of execute, that's the difference. Not talent, not intelligence, not motivation. It's the quiet choice you make when no one's watching. Here's the brutal part. This habit doesn't ruin you overnight. It destroys you slowly. One skipped workout, one ignored task, one more, I'll do it later. And it adds up until years vanish and all you're left with is a version of yourself you don't respect. That's what regret looks like. The real habit, the one that rewires everything, is doing the hard thing when it's hardest to do. Not sometimes, not when you feel like it, every single time. That's it. Not glamorous, not viral, just inconvenient consistency. It's the habit of rejecting your own excuses and replacing them with action. Comfort has lied to you. It told you rest was self-care. It told you mental health meant skipping the hard things. But avoidance isn't healing, it's decay. Real growth hurts. Real progress is uncomfortable. And if you're constantly choosing what feels good now, you're guaranteeing what will feel painful later. The truth is, you're not protecting your peace, you're just avoiding your potential. The shift happens the moment you choose action, when every part of you wants to run. That's the habit. Not motivation, not passion, just brutal, inconvenient consistency. It's waking up and doing the thing. Tired, bored, uninspired, especially then, because that version of you, the one who shows up regardless, is the only version that builds anything real. This isn't a motivational video, it's a mirror. And what you do after this, right now, says everything. You either shut this off and return to the same patterns, or you draw the line. Right here, no more pretending, no more half effort. If you can own that, if you can finally stop waiting and start building, that one shift will change your life. Because action, real action, is the only thing that ever does.